With today's focus on sustainable, energy-efficient building, homes are more airtight than ever, making quality ventilation essential for a healthy indoor climate. Ubbink's solution ensures constant fresh and healthy air. It helps a stable temperature and operates silently for a comfortable living environment. Ubbink helps professionals to create the right ventilation solutions with the Airflux Planning Configurator. It quickly calculates ventilation needs for any home, ensuring compliance and efficient installation, saving you time with each project. Ubbink's advanced ventilation system is designed for an easy, fast, and airtight installation, integrating smart solutions to simplify your work on every job. All system elements are designed with durability in mind, ensuring long-lasting performance with minimal maintenance, while being fully airtight for optimal energy efficiency, preventing pressure loss, maintaining peak performance, and creating a quieter, more comfortable home. With the intelligent simplicity of the Ubbink ventilation system, you experience a healthy and comfortable indoor climate all year round. For smart ventilation and healthy living with Ubbink.